You're probably on Facebook multiple times a day. How would you like to use Facebook to grow your YouTube channel fast? 78% of my YouTube video views comes from Facebook. Just posting YouTube videos on Facebook will not get you these type of YouTube views. Keep watching. In this video, I will show you the exact steps I use on how to promote YouTube videos using Facebook groups. Hi, I'm Shamel. I create videos with actionable tips to grow your YouTube audience and income with video. If that's something you're interested in, go ahead and click that subscribe button below. The first step is to find as many relevant Facebook groups in your niche as possible using the search feature. Facebook groups can and often do lead to real relationships where you can connect and collaborate, give you great video ideas that people are dying to watch. It also provides opportunities to expand your audience and your reach. It's a way to find new subscribers. There are many Facebook groups for any niche that's easy to grow your audience and traffic. So how do you find relevant groups to join? Once you log on, use a keyword related to your YouTube channel in the Facebook search bar. For example, let's say your YouTube channel is about makeup and fashion. Then you start by typing keywords into Facebook search such as makeup tutorials. Click on groups and see what's available. Look for groups that are active and have a lot of members. Choose between maybe about 5 to 10 Facebook groups to start with. When you're accepted, read group rules and guidelines, and as a good practice, remember to add value before you start promoting your YouTube videos, which brings to my next point. Be helpful. Don't join Facebook groups solely for the purpose of promoting YouTube videos. Join because you're there to make connections. Almost every group has members that only show up to promote their own stuff and never stick around to offer help or support to others. So be the one that stands out by being as helpful as you can. Being active means you will get your name out there, and that helps you gain more exposure. Find out your group's promo days. By far, the most effective strategy to promote YouTube videos using Facebook groups is to participate in promo days. The owner will usually tell you what days they allow promotions in the group description or in a pinned post. For example, this Facebook group lists what each promo day is. The easiest way to keep track is to use a spreadsheet to list out all the promo days for each of the groups and then start promoting your YouTube videos on those days. I have taken all the trouble away from you. You can use this pre-made list of Facebook groups. I will give this to you for free. Keep watching till the end of this video. How about giving this video a like? Another way to bring people to your YouTube channel from Facebook is to repurpose some of your YouTube videos and post them as native video on Facebook. Native videos posted directly on Facebook get 10 times more shares and also rank high within Facebook. This means an opportunity for you to get more exposure for your YouTube videos. You can make a short teaser that shows a couple of seconds from an original YouTube video. Make sure to add something that triggers curiosity and add the link in the description. The fourth way to promote your YouTube channel on Facebook is to find a problem and use your YouTube video as an answer to solve that problem. Most Facebook groups are created to help others with their problem. So your next step is to study all the groups you joined and find a problem you can solve. Give a short description and add a link to your YouTube video. And when you post the link, make sure you add the thumbnail. Don't just post the link directly. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. I upload videos every Saturday with actionable tips you can implement right away. Moving on to our next tip on how to get YouTube video views from Facebook. Get feedback for your YouTube channel. While you can get some idea from YouTube analytics, there's nothing like getting feedback from real people. Creating videos for your YouTube channel can be a lonely process, especially in the beginning. Often it feels like you're putting yourself out there without really knowing if anyone will even watch your video. That's where Facebook groups can feel like a lifeline. You need people in your life that really get what your YouTube mission is all about. And Facebook groups are a great place to find and connect with them. Here are a few examples. Get feedback on your videos and build confidence. Test out which thumbnails work best. Ask technical questions about creating videos. Share struggles that you're having and get support. And there's so much more. I would love to hear your experience on how you are growing your YouTube channel with Facebook. Are you sharing your videos on any Facebook group? Thank you for watching, and I hope we can get this video to 100 likes. Will you give a like?